Okay, we're taking a look at Bitcoin, and it's gone into a bit of a stall today after hitting a potential resistance zone that could lead to weaker prices. This is Bruce for FXEmpire taking a look at the daily chart for Bitcoin. So let's take a look at what we're looking at here. First of all, I want to point out that we have a head and shoulders top on the relative strength index momentum oscillator. That's like an added clue that we might be near a top that could be lead to a deeper retracement. We had a over 90% rally from this low here in January, and that took Bitcoin above the previous record high, but just a little bit. Not a surprise because upper momentum started way down here, so it's hard to have that type of demand remain after breaking such a significant record, significant price level, and that's what we've seen happen so far. Nevertheless, we got a relatively quick recovery that we're seeing so far off this first trend line. If we go back, starting from back here in October 2023, there's one trend line, that's the slope of the angle of ascent of the trend. This second trend line shows a higher slope of ascent. And then the third trend line shows even higher. Generally, markets show indications in threes, and it does that with moving with trend lines as well. Once we've gotten to three trend lines, then the odds increase that we're going to have some type of correction. Doesn't mean we will, just that the chance that we will increases. So what do we have off this most recent bottom is a rising ABCD pattern, ABCD pattern, where the 127.2% extension of that pattern completes at today's high. And that's combined with the 78.6% retracement of this prior decline. So that's an obvious place for potential resistance that could lead to lower prices and a test of this recent low and possibly below that. That doesn't mean it's going to happen, just that the chance has increased that it will happen. And we first need a signal. That signal is given below today's low. The day's not closed yet, though, and today's low is 69,270. So once today closes, that will give a short-term bearish signal that could turn into a longer-term bearish signal. At the same time, that bearish outlook is negated if we have a decisive rally above today's high, 71,583, and a subsequent daily close above that high. If that happens, then the odds increase that maybe we're going to new highs before a more significant correction. Nevertheless, we're at a key pivot zone in the short term that could lead into important medium term and long term implications. That is it for Bitcoin traders. If you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe and have a great week.